Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here for another episode where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today's word is allowance. It's a C1 level noun, meaning it's perfect for those of you advancing your English skills. Allowance refers to a sum of money given regularly, and it's often associated with budgeting, financial planning, or even personal expenses. Let's break it down further. Imagine you're a parent giving your child a weekly allowance for doing chores, or perhaps you're on a business trip and your company provides you with a travel allowance to cover your expenses. It's all about allocating money for a specific purpose or on a regular basis. Some useful synonyms for allowance are stipend, pocket money, and allocation. For example, she receives a monthly stipend from her internship, or I saved my pocket money to buy a new book. These terms are great substitutes depending on the context. On the flip side, antonyms of allowance include deprivation, withholding, or restriction. For example, the team faced deprivation of funds due to budget cuts. So, how do we use allowance in daily life? Picture a family sitting around the table discussing their financial goals. A parent might say, "We're increasing your weekly allowance because you've been doing such a great job with your responsibilities." Or in a work setting, you might hear, "The travel allowance includes meals and transportation costs." Here are a couple more examples. He spent all his allowance on video games this month, or the company provides an annual clothing allowance for uniforms. To sum it up, allowance is a practical word that connects directly to money, planning, and regularity. It's one of those terms that makes communication around finances and budgeting so much clearer. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning with us, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and grow their English skills. Before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using allowance and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.